Manipur's Imphal West district was rocked by violence last night, November 11th, as suspected Kuki militants launched an armed attack in the peripheral regions of Kangchup and Koktrug, injuring 2 individuals amidst the violence. The assailants, reportedly armed with heavy weaponry, allegedly fired indiscriminately toward residential areas which lie on the boundary between Kangpopi and Imphal West districts. The chaos escalated further as militants set fire to numerous houses and shops in Kangchup Chingkhong, a locality near the Kangpopi-Imphal West border. The assault incited widespread fear and panic among the residents, compelling many to seek refuge in safer areas to protect themselves from potential harm. The incident has heightened tensions in the region, underscoring the fragile security situation and the vulnerability of border communities to such sudden and violent episodes.
Hojiji aina lejeribo mafam masi akogi mamang da akogi me marida yam kanna nomai kamna khraba akogi Kangchup Chingkhong hariba mafam madudani hariba mafam masi da ngasi muksu akogi pung 3 ka minute kul lom tarakpa da akoi Kuki militants singna akoi ikhang khangawdana kumtharak laga nomai si mathong khangdana kapsun lakpa horpadagi hojiji si akoi akan mamongda kanna nomai kamnari hariba nomai kamna bugi thoku sida akoi kunga kuchingi makai amadi akoi gi security site gi di asopamdi amta yaudri hoji pogi oinadi adubu masi ikhang khangawdana masi mak akoi gi Kuki militant khara akoi gi jiri da sharpi na hatrabo matungda masi torpo oiba yai habagi thajabadu lei hariba mafam ching asida sumana sum tawduna leiragadi hariba akogi Chinghong Chinya da leiriba ichilinau ching ase tawkramna leigani ahing nungthin thangdagai sumana kano tawduna leibasina akogi Chinghong Chinya da leiriba ichilinau ching ase aduki matik awaba ma mayonare hojuri se Chinghong Kangchup phayeng hariba jaga asida leiriba miyoi ching ase akogi mafam rang khangdana kochen chena bugi phibam maduni uribase hiram masigi matangda pawgamdeba 79 Live from ELITETV News.